Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the most expected questions on integrals. Right, let us start guys. So this is of the form. See, this is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x will be equal to e power x into fx plus c. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? So this is equal to e power x into cos x and plus c. Answer is first option A. Right, let's move to the next question. I can write this as integration of numerator can be written as sin square x plus cos square x plus sin, because sin square plus cos square is anyways 1, and whole divided by this is sin square x cos square x. Okay, if I separate this, it's equal to integration of sin square x upon sin square x into cos square x, sin square x cos square x dx, plus integration of cos square x divided by cos square x sin square x. Cos square x divided by this is sin square x cos square x dx. Okay, cos square will cancel, sin square will cancel. 1 by cos is sec, you get sec square x dx, plus integration of 1 by sin is cosec, you get cosec square x dx. Integration of sec square x is equal to tan x, and integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x and plus c. Answer is option C, tan minus cot plus c. Okay, let's move to the next question. See, when you get questions like this, right, there was a similar question in 2022 paper as well. Don't integrate this, it takes a lot of time. If I differentiate with respect to x, left side that integral sign will vanish. You get 3 e power x minus 5 e power minus x whole divided by 4 e power x plus 5 e to the power of minus x. Okay, differentiation of ax is a, b is a constant, log x is 1 by x, that is 4 e power x plus 5 e power minus x. Now if I differentiate this, you get 4 e power x. Differentiation of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. Alright, now if I multiply by 4 e power x plus 5 e to the power of minus x throughout, okay, so this becomes 3 e power x minus 5 e power minus x is equal to, this is 4a e power x plus 5a e power minus x, plus if I multiply you get 4b e power x minus 5b e power minus x. Right, now if I equate the coefficient of x, if I equate the coefficient of e power x, you will get 3 is equal to coefficient of e power x is 4a, coefficient of e power x is 4b. Okay, now equate the coefficient of e power minus x. If I equate the coefficient of e power minus x, left side is minus 5 is equal to, this is 5a, coefficient of e power minus x is 5b. If you divide by 5, you get minus 1 is equal to a minus b. If I divide by 4, you get a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. You call this as equation 1, you call this as equation 2. If I solve equations 1 and 2, I get the values of a and b. Okay, solving equations 1 and 2, you will get a plus b is equal to 3 by 4, and a minus b is equal to minus 1. It will cancel. 2a is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 is minus 1 by 4. A is equal to minus 1 by 8. Right, so if I substitute a, b is equal to 3 by 4 minus a, b is equal to 3 by 4 minus of minus is plus. Take LCM 8, you will get this as 6 plus 1, b will be equal to 7 by 8. A is -1 by 8, B is 7 by 8. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to the next question. If f and g are two continuous functions, f of x is equal to f of a minus x, g of x plus g of a minus x is equal to a, what should be the value of this integral? Right, I'll take this as I. I is equal to integration of 0 to a. This will be equal to fx into g of x dx. Right, you call this equation 1. Right, I'm going to use the property, King's property is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. I is equal to integration of 0 to a. This is f of a minus x. This is g of a minus x dx. Okay, I is equal to integration 0 to a. This is f of a minus x is fx only. And g of a minus x from this will be equal to, from this g of a minus x is equal to a minus g of x. Okay, this fellow will be a minus g of x. A minus g of x and then dx. Right, now if I separate this, if I multiply this, you get f of I is equal to a into integration of 0 to a fx minus integration of 0 to a, and then you get f of x into g of x dx. It's the same as I, right? If I shift here, you get 2i. 2i is equal to a times integration of 0 to a, and then you get f of x dx. Okay, now I is equal to a by 2 into 0 to a, and then you get f of x dx. Answer is option B. Okay, now see, if I use Leibniz rule, I have to done this before this as well. Suppose if you have d by dx of e per x square, let's say if you have okay, d by dx of lower limit is x square, upper limit is x cube, and then e to the power of t dt. If I differentiate a definite integral, right, you differentiate the upper limit. In place of t, you put upper limit. Minus differentiate the lower limit. In place of t, you put lower limit. This is called definition of a differentiation of a definite integral. Right, now if I with that revise the other previous questions as well. Okay, if I differentiate with respect to y, dx by dy is equal to differentiation of y is 1, right? Differentiate the upper limit. In place of t, you put upper limit, and differentiation of lower limit is 0. This is dx by dy. If I reverse this, dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to root of 1 plus 9 by square. So if I reverse this, right, now if I differentiate once again, d square y by dx square is equal to root x is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus 9 by square. Differentiation of 9 by square is 8y into dy by dx. This will cancel 4 times. You will get 4y upon root of 1 plus 9 by square, and then dy by dx is root of 1 plus 9 by square. Right, this will cancel, you will get 4y. So if you compare this with ay, the value of a is equal to 4. Isn't it, guys? Answer is option differentiation of 9y, sorry, differentiation of 9y square is 18y, right? So this is 18y dy by dx. This will cancel 9 times. This should be equal to 9. This should be equal to 9. And then this is also equal to 9. This is 9 by, compare a is equal to 9. right? Applications of derivative I have done in PYQs, dude. Alright, why we have done application, you can check the recordings, it is there, applications of derivative. Alright, now if I integrate this is minus 1 to plus 1, x cube divided by x square plus 2 into mod x plus 1 dx, minus 1 to plus 1, this is equal to mod x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 mod x plus 1 dx. Right, this is an odd function, right? This is an odd function, so obviously answer is 0. This is an even function. So if it's an even function, minus a to plus a should be written as 2 times 0 to a mod x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 and then dx. So this is equal to 2 times integration 0 to 1. Mod x is x only. So this is x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 the whole square dx. X plus 1 will cancel with the square. Right. So this should be, maybe they have put in private. I think so. YGA, no? YGA? Maybe they put in private, but I have done. Right. Integration of 1 by x is log x. So this is log of x plus 1. Between the limits 0 to 1. Upper limit is log 2. Lower limit is log 1. Log 1 to any base is 0. Answer is 2 log 2. Okay, answer is option B. Isn't it, guys? You say an even function. If f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. And you say an odd function. If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Right. I have no idea, dude. Example number 27. See, this a can be written as 0 to 1 e to the power of t 1 divided by 1 plus t the whole square dt. Right. Let's call this as equation 1. Call this as equation 2. And use by parts. First function is e per t. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Okay. Minus integral of second is minus 1 by 1 plus t. Differentiation of e per t is e per t. So if I substitute the upper limit, e per 1 divided by 1 plus 1 minus lower limit is e per 0 divided by 1 plus 0. This minus and minus is plus 0 to 1 e per t divided by 1 plus t dt. If you call equation 1, if I use equation 1, this is same as a. So this becomes integration of minus of e by 2, e per 0 is 1 by 1 plus this is a. So this is a minus e by 2, minus and minus is plus 1. So you get a minus e by 2 plus 1. Answer is option B only. Alright, let's move to the next question. See, this is a standard question which was asked in 2020 paper, 2019 paper. It's an even function, right? So I can write 2 times 0 to 2 modulus of x into cos pi x dx. Okay, I'll put x cos pi x is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0, which is already the lower limit, and cos pi x is equal to 0. Cos pi x is equal to, this is cos pi by 2, and then cos 3 pi by 2, and cos 5 pi by 2, and so on. Now if I equate, you will get pi x is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, okay, x is equal to 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So this is 0 to 2. can be written as 0 to half. This is 0 to half plus this is half to 3 by 2. 0 to half, half to 3 by 2, and then 3 by 2 to 2, and then x into cos pi x dx. Okay, so this is equal to 2 times between 0 and half. Obviously, this is positive because when x lies between 0, let me explain here. When x lies between 0 and half, so 0 less than pi x less than pi by 2. So in the first quadrant, obviously everybody is positive. All the quadrants are positive. This is positive. Now if x lies between half and 3 by 2, half and 3 by 2, if you multiply, you get pi by 2 is less than pi x less than 3 pi by 2. Cos is negative in second quadrant and third quadrant, so this will be negative. Okay, and then again x lies between 2 and 3 by 2 and 2. If I multiply pi, so this is 3 pi by 2 is less than pi x less than 2 pi. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. This is 0 to half x into cos pi x dx minus half to 3 by 2. Half to 3 by 2 x into cos pi x dx plus integration of 3 by 2 to 2, and then x into cos pi x dx. Integrate all this, you will get the answer as 8 by pi. Right, answer is option A. Yeah, dude, I am done with all the questions, so I'm just doing the most expected questions of on integrations. Remaining we have done in the other 4 part. Okay, integration you will get 6 questions minimum. Cos 2x is equal to cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? Cos 2x can be written as cos square x, or I can write in terms of directly in terms of cos only. Right, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. There's a similar question in 21 paper as well. 21 paper, instead of theta they gave alpha, that's it. Then whole divided by, this is cos x minus cos theta, and then this is dx. So I'm integrating with respect to x, theta should be constant. This will be equal to 2 times cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square theta, minus and minus is plus 1, is divided by cos x minus cos theta dx. This will cancel. 2 is a constant out. You will get cos square x minus cos square theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta, then this is dx. Okay, now this is equal to 2 times, this is cos x minus cos theta into cos x plus cos theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta, and then this is dx. This will cancel. 2 into integration of cos x plus this is cos theta into integration of dx and plus c. 2 times integration of cos x is sin x. Integration of this is cos theta is a constant, I'll take outside. Dx is x and plus c. Okay, that's the first option only. Right. Question number 2. There's a similar question in NCERT as well. You take the second angle and subtract with the first angle. If you open the bracket, this is a minus b. Okay, now this is equal to integration of, I'll multiply and divide by constant, right? Multiply and divide by sine of a minus b, and then this is the sine of a minus b divided by sine of x minus a, and then sine of x minus b. Alright, now this is 1 divided by sine of a minus b, then whole divided by, this is sine of a minus b into sine of x minus a x minus b. Okay, this is equal to sine of a minus b can be written as x minus b minus with x minus a dx. Okay, now this is equal to 1 divided by sine of a minus b, and then this is sine of x minus a to sine of x minus b. Sine of a minus b is equal to sine a into cos b, okay, minus cos a into sine b. Right, now if I this dx here, if there's space left out there, that's dx. Right, now if I divide by 1 by sine of a minus b, then integration of, if you separate this, sine of x minus b will cancel, cos by sine is cot, you get cot of x minus a. Again, if you divide, that sine of x minus a will cancel, cos by sine is cot, you get cot of x minus b. Right, now integration of, this is 1 by sine is cosec, right? So this becomes cosec of a minus b. Okay, and integration of cot x is log sin x, you get log of sine of x minus a. Again, integration of cot x is log sin x, log of sine of x minus b, and plus c. Log m minus log n is log m by n. If I use, I get answers option, sorry, it's not b. Cosec of b minus a, that's right, okay. This would equal to log m minus log n is log m by n, right? So this would equal to cosec of a minus b. Okay, cosec of a minus b, log m minus log n is log m by n, log of sine of x minus a divided by sine of x minus b, then plus c. Right, now if I take suppose minus common, it will be equal to cosec of b minus a. And here also I take minus out, log m by n, right, log n by m. That is, I'll write sine of x minus b divided by sine of x minus a. And then plus c, this minus and minus will be plus. This minus and minus will cancel. You get cosec of b minus a, log of sine of b x, like log of sine of x minus b x minus a. Answer option C only. Okay, there's a similar question in NCERT as well. See here, I'm going to put x is equal to t square. If you differentiate, you get 2t into dt. Okay, now this is equal to integration of tan inverse of root of x is equal to t square, and dx is equal to 2t into dt. Root and square cancels, 2 is a constant out. You get tan inverse of t into t dt. This will be first, this will be second. And let us use by parts. Okay, first function is tan inverse of t. Integration of t is t square by 2. Minus integral of second is t square by 2. Differentiation of tan inverse of t is 1 by 1 plus t square. Okay, now this becomes, if you open the bracket, t square into tan inverse of t. The 2 and 2 cancels, minus integration of t square upon t square plus 1 dt. So this is tan inverse of t square into tan inverse of t minus integration of add 1 and subtract 1 by t square plus 1 and then dt. Right, now this is equal to t square into tan inverse of t. Now if I separate this, you get 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square dt. Minus and minus is plus divided by 1 plus t square. Anyways, this will cancel. You get t square into tan inverse of t. Integration of dt is t. Integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse of t and plus c. Okay, between first two terms, first and third term, you take t square common, you get t square plus 1 into tan inverse of t. Okay, minus t plus c. T value is equal to t square is x plus 1 into tan inverse of t value is root x minus root x plus c. Right, answer is option A. Isn't it, guys? Okay, let's move to the next question. Even the similar questions in 2021 paper 22 also, there were many questions in this based on this property. 21 paper is maximum. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab and then whole divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. This is equal to integration of e power x 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square the whole square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. This 1 plus x square will cancel with the square. Okay, so this equal to integration of e power x 1 by 1 plus x square minus 2x divided by 1 plus x square the whole square. Okay, now this is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Okay, formula will be equal to e power x into f of x plus c is equal to e power x into f of x and plus c. Answer is option A. Question number 5. Okay, now listen. X to the power of 9 upon, take the highest power of x common in the denominator. So if I take x square common, you will get this as 4 plus 1 by x square whole power 6. Okay, now this is x to the power of 9 divided by x to the power of 12 into 4 plus 1 by x square whole power 6. So this can be written as dx divided by x cube into 4 plus 1 by x square whole power 6. Right? Ranika, go through the entire syllabus. Okay, the most expected questions, either you get a similar one or they'll change the numbers. All right, they can ask anything, but be thorough. Your son, be thorough with the basics. That only then you feel confident. Differentiation of 4 is 0, right? Differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. And then this is equal to 1 by x cube dx is equal to minus dt by 2. So this is minus half of dt divided by t power 6. If I shift to numerator, this is equal to minus half t to the power of minus 6 dt. Right, now this is equal to minus half t to the power of minus 5 divided by minus 5 plus c. So this is 1 by 10 and t power 5 plus c. Right, now substitute the value of t. 1 by 10, 1 upon t value is what? 4 plus, okay, 4 plus, in shift here, substitute here itself, right? 1 upon 10, substitute the value of t, you get the option. This is 1 by 10, t value is 4 plus 1 by x square, whole to the power of minus 5 plus c. The last option D, right? Question number 6. So here also same. This was asked in 2021 paper. NCERT exemplar question which was asked in 2021. If I differentiate with respect to x, this question was asked in, sorry, not 2021, 2022, last year paper only. If you differentiate with respect to x, 1 divided by x square plus 2 into x square plus 1. Don't use the normal board method. It takes a lot of time. And it's a 5 marker in board exam. Differentiation of x square is 2x, so you get a by 1 plus x square. I'm just differentiating. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. And then 1 upon 5, integration of 1 by x is log x. The differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay. If you multiply by x square plus 2 into x square plus 1. Sorry, it is x plus 2, right? Multiply by x plus 2 to x square plus 1. So you get 1 is equal to 2ax into 1 into x plus 2 plus b into 1 plus x square will get cancelled. You get x plus 2 plus 1 upon 5. Then you get x square plus 1. Okay, now this is 1 is equal to 2ax square plus this is 4ax plus bx plus 2b plus 1 upon 5 into x square plus 1 by 5. Okay, plus 1 by 5. What is equation? If I equate the coefficient of x square, if you equate the coefficient of x square, left side is 0 is equal to 2a plus 1 by 5. 2a is equal to minus 1 by 5, a is equal to minus 1 by 10. So this means that this is ruled out, this is ruled out. If I equate the coefficient of x, if I equate the coefficient of x, 0 is equal to 4a plus b. 0 is equal to 4 into minus 1 by 10 plus b. b is equal to 4 by 10, which is 2 by 5. Okay, answer is option C only. This was asked in KCET 2022. Okay, now this is x cube divided by x plus 1. Either you divide numerator by denominator. This is an improper integral. And write improper is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. Similar questions you've done in NCERT. This is an improper integral. Or directly I can write x cube plus 1 minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. Now if I separate this, you will get x cube plus 1 by x plus 1 dx minus integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 dx. Right, now a cube plus b cube. If you take a plus b out, you will get a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, x cube plus 1 can be written as, if I take x plus 1 out, you will get x square minus x plus 1. Okay, and whole divided by x plus 1 minus integration of 1 divided by x plus 1 dx. This will cancel. Okay, integration of x square is x cubed by 3. Integration of x square is x cubed by 3. Integration of x is x square by 2, dx is x. And integration of 1 by x is log x. This is log of x plus 1 and plus c. Okay, answer is option D only. X minus x square by 2, x cubed by 3, log of 1 plus x plus c. So this can be written as 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x by 2, right? 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Yes, half angle formula. Okay, and then x plus sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. Now if I divide this, x divided by 2 cos square x by 2, right? Plus integration of 2 sin x by 2 to cos x by 2. And 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. Now this cos will cancel with the square. Okay, now this is equal to half of integration of x, 1 by cos is sec, you get sec square x by 2 dx. Plus sin by cos is tan, you get tan x by 2 dx. Okay, now this is equal to half of first function is x, integration of sec square x by 2 is tan x by 2, coefficient of x is half, divide by half. Minus integral of second is tan x by 2 by half, and differentiation of x is 1. Plus integration of this is tan x by 2. Right, half and half cancels, you get x into tan x by 2 minus this is integration of tan x by 2 plus integration of tan x by 2. This will cancel. You get x tan x by 2 plus c. Last option D. Okay. See, even this question, rather than you do that, integrate this and then you find out if I differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, you get x cube by root of 1 plus x square is equal to 3 by 2a into 1 plus 1 plus x square whole power 1 by 2. And root x is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus x square, and differentiation of x square is 2x. This fellow will cancel. If I cross multiply the root, you get 3 by 2 into a into 1 plus x square. Correct? Root into root will be 1 plus x square plus bx. Correct? That root and root cancels if I cross multiply, or you multiply throughout by root of 1 plus x square. So this is x cube is equal to 3 by 2 into a plus 3 by 2 a into x square plus bx. I left out 3 by 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x. Okay, into I left out is 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Let me write here. This is 2x. This 2 and 2 cancels. Okay, now if I cross multiply, this fellow will cancel. Okay, if I cross multiply, x cube is equal to 3a into x into 1 plus x square plus this is bx. X cube is equal to 3ax plus 3ax cube plus bx. Okay, now if I equate coefficient of x cube, 1 is equal to 3a, you will get 1 by 3 is equal to a. If I equate coefficient of x square, you will get 0 is equal to coefficient of x square. There is no coefficient of x square only. Equate coefficient of x. 0 is equal to coefficient of x is 3a plus b. 0 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 plus b. This will cancel. B is equal to minus 1. A is 1 by 3, B is minus 1. Last option D only. Right. Question number 10. The minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, right? So this is minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Dx upon 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, right? So this is equal to half of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Okay, 1 by cos is sec, you get sec square x dx, isn't it, guys? So if you want to use that even property, otherwise directly you will get. So this is equal to half of integration of sec square x is tan x between the limits minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Tan 45 is 1, tan of minus 45 is minus 1. Half into 2, which is equal to 1. Answer is option A. Right, question number 11. So 0 to pi by 2. Okay, root of 1 minus sine 2x can be written as 1 can be written as sine square x plus cos square x, right? And sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x into cos x, right? This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is sine minus cos the whole square. Okay, so this fellow is sine x minus cos x the whole square dx. Now root and square cancels. Right, integration of sine is minus cos. Integration of minus cos is minus sine. Between the limits 0 to pi by 2. 0 to root sine x, mod should come. I'm sorry guys, there's a mod. Root of x square is mod x. Okay, now that's the catch here. This is equal to root of x square. Root of x square is always equal to mod x. This is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, a root of this is sin x minus cos x the whole square. Now this is 0 to pi by 2. Root of x square is mod x, so this is sin x minus cos x. Okay, now if you plot the graph, actually this is sin 90 is 1. Okay, sin 90 is 1. And when cos 90 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So this is y is equal to sin x. This is y is equal to cos x. Sin and cos will cut at 45 only. 0 to 45, cos is more than sin. Right, so between 0 and 45, cos is more than sin. You can see the graph. 0 to 45, cos is more than sin, meaning is cos is full. Okay, sin is only this shaded part, check part. Sin is only this, cos is more. So 0 to 45, cos is more than sin. And then between 40 pi by 4 to pi by 2, between pi by 4 and pi by 2, sin is more than cos. Or so this is sin x is more than cos x. I can write this as 0 to pi by 4 sin x minus cos x plus this is pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2, this is sin x minus cos x dx. Okay, now between 0 and pi by 4, cos is more than sin, so this is negative, this is positive. Now this is equal to now if I write this as 0 to pi by 4, this is minus of sin x minus cos x. And then this is pi by 4 to pi by 2. This is pi by 4 to pi by 2. And then you get sin x minus cos x. Okay, now let us integrate this. If you open the bracket, integration of minus sin x is plus cos x between the limit 0 to pi by 4. If you open the bracket, integration of minus and minus is plus, integration of cos is sine. This is 0 to pi by 4. Integration of sine is minus cos between the limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. And integration of minus cos is minus sine between the limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, cos 45 1 by root 2 cos 0 1, sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 0 0, cos 90 0 cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 91 sin 45 1 by root 2. If you open the bracket, you will get 4 by root 2 minus 2. 4 by root 2 is 2 root 2. So it is 2 root 2 minus 2. Answer is option D. Is that okay, guys? It's standard question only. Let's move to the next question. See, if I do questions on application of integrals, area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2. Area of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. R square is 2, so this is 2 pi. Straight away answer is D. Area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is pi ab. Isn't it, guys? Suppose they ask you what is area of the ellipse. Area enclosed by the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Then a square is 25, b square is 16. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. Area is equal to pi ab, which is equal to 20 pi. Straight away you will get. Okay, now area enclosed by the curve y is equal to x square and y equal to 16. Y equal to x square is an upward parabola, right? And this is y is equal to 16. This is y is equal to 0 because x axis y will be 0. I'll find out, I'm supposed to find out this area. I'll find only in the first quadrant, multiply by 2. Area is equal to 2 times integration of y is equal to 0 to y equal to 16. And then you get function of y dy. Area is equal to 2 times 0 to 16. Function of y dy is x is equal to root y. Y power half dy. Integration of y power half is y to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Between the limits 0 to 16. This is 4 by 3. 16 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0. This is 4 square to the power of 3 by 2. Will cancel. 4 cube is 64. 64 into 4 is 256. 256 by 3 square units. Answer is option B. Understood, guys? Okay, now even this question is asked in 17 paper. Area bounded by cos x and sin x, x equal to 0 to pi by 2 and y axis. See, this is sine graph, right? This is pi by 2 and sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Sin and cos will cut at 45. Right, so this is x, this is y. Area between cos and sin x and y axis means this area. Okay, now area is equal to 0 to pi by 4. This is cos x minus sin x. Integration of cos x is equal to plus sin x. This is 0 to pi by 4. And integration of minus sin is plus cos. Plus cos between the limit 0 to pi by 4. Sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 0 will be 0. Cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 0 is 1. This is 2 by root 2 minus 1, which is equal to root 2 minus 1. Answer is option C. Okay. See, this shortcuts I have given you before as well. This is x square is equal to 4y, and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. This is of the form x square is equal to 4ay. 4a is equal to 4, a equal to 1. This is x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 4y. Y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 4. Y is equal to 1 by 4x plus 2 by 4. This is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 1 by 4, a is equal to 1. Right, so area bounded by y square is equal to 4x. The shortcut, guys. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, area will be equal to 72a square into m cube. Area is equal to 72. A square, a is 1, and m cube, that is 1 by 4 the whole cube. Area is equal to 72. 4 cube is 64. But divide by 8, this is 9 by 8 square units. Answer is option D. So area bounded by y square is equal to 4x. Sorry, area bounded by x square is equal to 4ay, and the line y is equal to mx plus c. Area will be equal to 72a square into m cube. If it is suppose y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx plus c, then the area will be equal to 72a square into m by m cube. Very useful results. If it is suppose area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx, then area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube. Okay, and then if it is suppose area bounded by x square is equal to 4ay, area bounded by x square is equal to 4ay, and the line y is equal to mx, area will be equal to 8a square by 3 into m cube. Even this was asked in 2022 paper, 21 paper. If I square this, y square is equal to 16 minus x square, right? So this is x square plus y square is equal to 16. That is x square plus y square. 16 can be written as 4 square. Right, so area is equal to, actually you have root, right? Y equal to root of 16 minus x square. You don't get a circle, you get a semicircle. Radius is 4 comma 0, this is minus 4 comma 0. Area is equal to half of area of the circle, that is equal to pi r square. So half of pi into r square is 16. You will get this as 8 pi square units. First option. Okay, now listen. Area in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the line y equal to mx and the circle. X square plus y square. This is 4 root 2 the whole square. 4 root 2 the whole square is 32. So you get a circle and then this is line y is equal to x. This area I'm supposed to find out. Y equal to x will bisect the first quadrant. Alright, now area of the circle in the first quadrant. Area in the first quadrant is equal to pi r square by 4, right? Pi into r square is 32 by 4, which is equal to 8 pi. So required area is equal to half of area in the first quadrant, that is half of 8 pi. Okay, which is equal to 4 pi. Answer is option B. Okay, area bounded by cos x between x is equal to 0 and x equal to pi. So this is, if I take suppose the cos graph, this is 0 pi by 2, this is pi, right? This area I'm supposed to find out. Area is equal to 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and then you get cos x dx. Area is equal to 2 times integration of cos x is sin x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. 2 into sin 91 sin 0 0. Area will be 2 square units. Okay, answer will be equal to A. Answer is option A. Okay, now there's one more shortcut. Just now I gave you all the results. Y square is equal to x and y is equal to half x. This is of the form y is equal to mx. This is of the form y square is equal to 4x. The area bounded by y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx. Area will be equal to 8a square by 3m cube. If you compare 4a is equal to 1, a equal to 1 by 4. Okay, and then m is equal to half. Area is equal to 8 a square. A square is 1 by 16 by 3 into m cube. That is 1 by 8. This will cancel 2 times. This will cancel 2 times. 1 by 2, this is 8 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3 square units. Answer is option A. Isn't it, guys? The area bounded by y equal to sin x between the ordinates x is equal to 0, x equal to pi. So you plot the sine graph. This is 0 pi, this is pi by 2. Maximum value of sine is 1. This area I'm supposed to find out. Okay, area is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2, and then you get sin x dx. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit cos 90 0, cos 0 1. Area will be equal to 1 square units. That is last option D. Okay, now just now I taught you this is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A square is 25, right? And b square is 16. You will get a equal to 5, b equal to 4. Area will be equal to pi ab. Area is equal to pi, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4. You will get this as 20 pi. Answer is option A. Alright, we'll do one more question. Area of the region bounded by the circle. So no need to do integration x square plus y square is equal to r square. R square is 1, right? Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi. Area is equal to pi square units. Okay, so answer is pi. Question number 10. See, this was asked in 2020 paper. Y is equal to, no, there was a similar question. Y is equal to x plus 1. This will cut at 0, 1 only, no? This is 0, y is 1. Y is, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3. This area I'm supposed to find out. So this is 2 to 3, x plus 1. Okay, either you split and do it, or directly integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 2 to 3. Upper limit 3 plus 1 the whole square is 4 square, lower limit 2 plus 1 the whole square is 3 square. So 16 minus 9 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2 square units. Right, so I'll stop here, guys. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe, enable the bell icon so that you get notification for all the classes. And we have done 2014 to 2022 questions, actual paper solved on this platform. So please go through that link, guys, and if you please share those videos as well. Right, if you've already if you have already subscribed, please do share this video with your friends as well. Thank you, guys. Thank